In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've been wondering how to manage your finances more accurately by ensuring each part of a transaction is accounted for separately, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to QuickBooks, you'll have no trouble following along. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to navigate to the Transactions section on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. If you look at the left-hand panel, you should see the Transactions option. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the main Transactions page where you can manage all your banking activities. Now, within the Transactions section, you'll find a tab labeled Bank Transactions. This is where you'll be able to see a list of all the transactions that are linked to your bank accounts. Click on this tab to get started. It's important to select the correct account from which you want to split a transaction. You'll see a drop-down menu or a list of accounts, so make sure you select the right one to avoid any potential errors. Once you've selected the appropriate account, the next step is to locate the specific transaction you want to split from the list. Take your time to double-check that you've chosen the correct transaction, as this is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. When you've found the transaction, click on it. You'll notice a menu or options appearing, depending on the layout of your QuickBooks interface. Look for the option that says Split and click on it. This will open up a new window or section dedicated to splitting your transaction. In this new interface, you'll enter the details of how you wish to split the transaction. This involves specifying the different account categories associated with the portions of the transaction. For each part you want to split, add a description and an amount. Take a moment here to ensure that the allocations make sense for your accounting needs and financial planning. After you've thoroughly completed the details of the split, take a deep breath and proceed by clicking Split and Add. This action will finalize your changes and update your records to reflect the split transaction accurately. And that's it, everyone. You've successfully split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. By doing so, you ensure that each part of the transaction is accounted for in your financial reports, helping you maintain accuracy and clarity in your bookkeeping. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need to apply this process to other transactions in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy bookkeeping!